Hi all, welcome to Aruru Naturals. Today, let's explore an ancient natural remedy with modern benefits, clove oil. Clove oil, derived from the flower buds of the clove tree, is known for its powerful medicinal and therapeutic properties. Clove oil is widely used to ease toothaches and sore muscles thanks to its eugenol content. Just a dab on a cotton ball can bring quick relief. It fights bacteria in the mouth, reduces inflammation, and even helps with bad breath. That's why it's a key ingredient in many toothpastes and mouthwashes. Its antimicrobial properties help treat acne, reduce blemishes, and even calm skin irritations when diluted with a carrier oil. A gentle massage with clove oil around the temples can relieve stress, anxiety, and headaches. The warm, spicy aroma also lifts your mood. Clove oil improves blood circulation and reduces inflammation, making it great for those suffering from arthritis or muscle fatigue. When used in hair oil, clove oil helps strengthen roots, reduce dandruff, and support healthy hair growth. Its antiviral and antifungal properties help fight infections and build strong immunity when used aromatically or topically. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Aruru Naturals.